Hello, my name is attorney Edward Reyes, and I am your attorney, and we are at the stage now that we are ready to file suit. So what does that entail? Filing suit is a little bit more difficult and a little bit more time invasive on both sides. On both sides. In fact, when we're filing suit, we're taking out of the insurance company's hand and we're sending it to the insurance company's attorneys, whoever they have on counsel. What does that mean? Whenever we file suit, we file a complaint, and the complaint, they have 20 days to answer the complaint, and we also ask for production, which that means is we ask them to send us a lot of information on cell phone records, on insurance records, on a lot of other things that we ask for, and then they ask the same of us. We also ask for interrogatories, and what that means is we ask them a lot of questions, basically what it means, and then they have to respond back to us, and they have to swear to their statements. They have to swear what they're saying on that paper is actually true. But the same thing goes, they ask us to answer their questions as well. This process takes quite a bit of time, a few months, and they may even require us to do a deposition, and will also require their client to do a deposition. So filing suit does not speed up the process. It does make the process a little bit longer. However, if they haven't paid you correctly on the pre-suit before we filed suit, it's strongly suggested that we file suit depending on your injuries and depending on the situation. Every client's a little bit different. But the process does take, at minimum, about a year. A year, and sometimes depending on the injuries, depending on the situation, it could take longer. There's been cases that it has happened a little bit quicker, but doesn't mean it's going to be quicker. If the case has to go to trial, doesn't mean that if we file suit that every case goes to trial, but if it does go to trial, it takes much longer because we have to get experts, we have to do more depositions, we have to prepare. So the process now can take a year plus. So if filing suit is something you're interested in doing, we can definitely put it together for you. But before we do that, we need to have all the facts together. There's a lot of questions that we need from you to answer for us in order to be best prepared, so whenever they do ask us for the interrogatories or the questions or ask us for a lot of records, we have that stuff prepared. If you have any questions on this, feel free to give us a call, 813-421-3411.